am I with now today?
Hi, I'm Nikki.
Nikki, alright. So Nikki, again, thank you so much for accepting our invite. So for my first question, Nikki, ano nag-inspire pala sa'yo to pursue this business?
Well, On The Go Cafe. Actually, it's car wash and cafe. Yes, and kaya ko siya pinursu kasi una, I tried employment. I mean, I tried working,
Tama.
but it doesn't work for me because medyo malikot yung utak ko eh. So,
Okay.
I pursued business and then inisip ko kung ano yung problem ko currently that time. That time. Ano yung problema ko na gusto kong isolve, which is tamad talaga ako magpa-car wash kasi ayoko nang walang tinatambayan. So, dahil passion ko din yung magtimpla ng coffee and I really like drinks. I like experimenting. That's why I pursue On The Go Cafe.
Ang galing.
So,
Actually,
ayun.
sobrang... Kaya, yung una nakita ko yung On The Go Cafe, parang siya naging On The Go? So, pagka is connected pala sa car wash.
Yes, and
Diba?
yung car wash kasi namin, kaya din siya on the go cause nagka-car wash kami but very fast siya. That's why parang on the go. And then yung concept dun ng cafe namin, at first kasi yung cafe namin, very small lang. Parang for to go lang talaga siya. And then eventually lang nagkaroon ng parang tambayan kasi nga yung mga people then there,
Ang galing.
they want to stay. Ayun.
I see. So, kumbaga, Nikki, kailan tayo nag-start pala sa On The Go Cafe?
So, we started 3 years ago.
Oh, bago lang.
Yeah, birthday ko yon kasi nga ayoko
Yeah.
di naman sa ayoko mag-work.
Yeah.
But, parang mas gusto ko talagang i-pursue yung
Tama.
business.
Mas gusto mo hands-on ka. And at the
Yes.
same time, boss of your own, tama?
Yes.
Sige, able to create. So,
Yes.
Nikki, tanong ko lang, ano yung naging challenges mo sa 3 taon na yan?
Actually, there's a lot. One is yung pagkuha ng right people. Like, staff talaga. Especially sa car wash.
Totoo.
Kasi parang, syempre, as much as I want to help them, pero kailangan, syempre, na-help din nila ako. Kasi maawain talaga ako eh.
Totoo.
So, as much as I can take them, I will talaga. Like,
It's still a
forgive.
business.
Yeah, forgive and forgive. But at the end of the day, it's still a business.
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng maawain lang tayo. Yeah.
Tama, kasi mahirap mag-prosper din kung laging ganun lang.
Yes. Actually, last year ko lang siya natutunan kasi grabe yung ginawa sa akin ng staff ko. And ngayon lang ako medyo naging firm sa mga staff ko. But, I always take care of them cause,
Tama.
sila pa rin talaga yung nag-help sa akin. Parang hindi ko naman kakayanin alone.
Yeah.
And, ayun, parang
Galing.
give and take lang.
Yeah, it seems that you're a good leader.
Yes,
Nikki.
yun yung isang challenge.
I see.
And second, yung location namin.
Yeah, saan yung pala yung location niya, Nikki?
Subdivision kasi yung location namin.
Sige, sorry, inulitin natin.
6-7.
Sige.
Ayan. So, yung location kasi namin, subdivision siya. Actually, yun naman yung isa kong pros kasi sa amin yung lupa. So, I don't pay rent.
Oh, that's good.
So, ayun, hindi na ako nagpe-pay ng rent. Pero, since nasa Ensal siya, we really need to market it online
Yeah.
and signages all around. Because may mga competitors din kami.
I see,
So,
I see. Okay, so Nikki, for my last question, what is the best financial advice you have received sa business experiences?
Ayun, siguro, ang pinaka tumatak talaga kasi sa akin is, the goal is to be rich, not to look rich. So, other people, they think of me like, eto, connotation lang talaga. When they see me or when they see other business person, they always say, mayaman. May business. Mayaman na yan kasi may business siya. But they don't even know my struggles. Like right now, kami nag-set up nito and sometimes it's okay for me to really do the legwork because that's part of business eh.
Tama.
Other people thought na we sleep at night, we have business, we sleep, we gain money, but that's not the real thing.
Ganon, right?
Yes, and we really need to invest continuously.
Tama.
Kasi if not, if i-invest mo lang sa luho mo, sa
Correct.
mga ganong bagay, sayang naman yung pagod natin. So,
Tama.
again, the goal is to be rich and not to look rich. So, invest your money wisely, guys. Huwag kayo basta-basta. Pag nagka-profit kayo, ay, may pambili na akong iPhone. No, that's not it. If meron kayong naging profit, invest it again and again and again until you're successful.
Gusto ko yan.
Yan
gusto
lang.
ko yan.
Don't be afraid to invest.
Yan.
Everything
Nikki,
will work.
sorry, curious ako. Ilan taon na ba?
I'm 26.
Grabe,
And
26.
yes, actually,
Young entrepreneur.
this is not only my business.
Mm-mm.
We also have a gym in Calamba and Santo Tomas. And
Okay.
meron din akong nails, guys.
Ay, ang galing.
Nagne-nails. So, technically, lahat ng gusto
Diba?
ko.
You're built for business
Yes.
talaga, Nikki.
Well, thank you.
Ayan.
Pero yun, lahat ng gusto ko for myself, ginagawa ko rin siyang business. So, ipon lang kayo, guys, and
Okay?
do the work.
Thank you so much, Nikki.
Thank you
okay?
so much. Thank you so
I hope
much.
marami kayo natutunan, ha? Follow, no? And support tayo kay
Yes,
Nikki.
on the go.
On the go. Support.
Bye!
Bye!